Oh, sorry, didn't see you there. So, I just finished up cleaning the intake manifold. It's pretty great. And I have just finished the prep work, which means I have taped up all the holes and orifices, if you will. Here, join me over here. So, as you can see, I filled everything with the tape and all that, and I just finished degreasing it. And we're gonna hit it with some spray primer. I have the Rust-Oleum engine enamel primer and then the black gloss, and we're gonna spray it. We're back, and we have started the blackness that is also my heart. 2 light coats in. I'm about to do a third, actually. We'll come back in like 20-30 minutes. We'll do another coat since it's a little bit chilly. Yeah, I don't know. Hey guys, so as you saw, I finished the intake manifold, and now I'm going to be doing the valve covers in Chevy Orange. So I'm going to hit it with some primer first. I already took a Brillo pad and a degreaser, sprayed to it, and worked out all of the dirt, burnt oil, you name it, it's off. I'm going to hit it with some engine enamel primer, as you saw with the intake manifold, and then I will be using the Chevy Orange spray that I have over here. And hopefully I'm smart enough to wear a mask this time because I was blown out. Black's not the best, but you know, it's whatever. So let's get to it.
Alright guys, so we're back, and I just sprayed my second coat on the valve covers, and I'm going to go ahead and wrap up the video here, but I'm hoping to show you the next video. We have completed valve covers, and the valves will be on the engine with the intake manifold. I'm going to go ahead and order a head gasket set, and we'll see you next time, folks.